Got an 01 Honda Civic. We're gonna throw some rice at this deal. What's up, y'all? It's time to take this YouTube thing serious. Just jump right into things. A couple months ago, we had a fat burnout leaving work. Sierra said bye-bye to her transmission and rear end. I knew better because my tuner said, "Alright, now I don't mind tuning the truck whatsoever. It's your money, not mine. But I need to let you know that this 4L60E is not going to hold up with that cam. That 12 bolt ain't going to do it either. So I just want to let you know, it's your money. So tell me what you want to do." Man, honestly, I don't care. As long as that sucker's chopping wood, man, that's all I care about. Load that thing up, let it bump. Now look at me, looking stupid. Oh, we still got second. Alright, so moral of the story is listen to your tuner. But we got something new for the channel. Follow me. Sheesh! Got an 01 Honda Civic. We're gonna throw some rice at this deal. So it's basically gonna be an eBay build because we broke over here. So cheap parts, definitely cheap parts. We're gonna start off today with this busted mirror right here. We can get that took care of today. Then I'll give y'all a quick walk around of the car. She's beat the piss, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna make it cool. All right, so I got my automotive degree in YouTube University. So they said all you gotta do is pop this deal off. 8mm bolts. Mirror comes right off. We do old parts. So you got your new one, you're gonna want to make sure your gasket's on flush all the way around. Make sure it's pushed down where it needs to be pushed down so you don't get any leaks or anything like that. Looks pretty good to me. Up. Hold it with one hand and grab you a rag or something so you can push down off in here so you don't lose any bolts in your door panel. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna start taking this thing a little bit more seriously, so hopefully y'all see me around more often. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe. Catch you at the next one.